Lucintel, we have done significant research into the gate driver IC market. Today I'll share with you how we characterize this market as well as some of the dynamics at work and where we see opportunities. This thought leadership video is based on Lucintel's market research report on the gate driver IC market. We have done significant secondary research and conducted primary interviews throughout the value chain of this market to bring you these insights. Now before I share some of our analysis, let me briefly introduce myself as well as Lucintel. My name is Brandon Fitzgerald. I'm a director at Lucintel. I've worked with over 100 companies in the areas of growth strategy and mergers and acquisitions. Lucintel is a management consulting and market research firm headquartered in Dallas, Texas. We offer services in the areas of market entry strategy, opportunity screening, value chain analysis, due diligence, and M&A for companies around the world. Now, let me share some of our perspective on the opportunities at play in this particular market. To summarize, we see the opportunity for gate driver IC as being promising. For example, the market is forecast to reach a global value of $1.8 billion by 2025. That represents a compound annual growth rate of about 5.7%, which is slightly better than GDP. Gate driver IC opportunities have evolved through a number of stages to the current high-temperature gate driver ICs that we see in the market today. Currently, MOSFET gate driver IC is the largest product type, whereas industrial is the largest application segment. In terms of regions, the Asia Pacific provides the largest opportunity for gate driver IC, followed by Europe and then by North America. If you look into the value chain, the ecosystem for gate driver IC market is composed of a diverse group of companies. Now, let me share some of our perspective on key drivers and emerging trends in this market. Some of the major drivers include growth in smart home and smart grid technology. Some of the major challenges include the increasing complexity of chip design. In terms of the emerging trends, we see the emergence in smart gate driver IC and the integration of IGBT drive and protection functions as being a significant trend in this market. Now, as you've seen, Lucintel has examined different drivers, trends, and opportunities throughout the value chain. In order to compete effectively, our analysis indicates that companies could invest in capabilities for IGBT gate drive IC. These insights are based on Lucintel's market research report on the gate driver IC market. This report can help you identify opportunities across different application segments and regions for your company. Lucintel has an extensive toolkit to address strategic questions such as, are there any game-changer actions that exist in the market, or is a more incremental approach to growth more advantageous? Or perhaps, where should I direct sales and marketing resources based on a voice of customer analysis? To get the answers to these or other questions about the gate driver IC market, please contact Lucintel. And thank you very much for listening to our video today.